Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about what is the software version and what is the Android version out of the box in the OnePlus Nord CE2 device. So yes friends, just today only I did unboxing of the OnePlus Nord CE2. I just want to show you what is the security patch update will be there in this device out of the box. So let's see which month security patch or maybe which year especially. So maybe 2021 or 2022. So that's what I'm going to show you in this video right now. So here's a quick look. The Android version is of I think Android 11. You can clearly see it. I wish they could have included some kind of Android 12. That would be really very good in this OnePlus Nord CE2, but they did not include that. And Android security patch update out of the box will be, you can clearly see events, January 1st, 2022. Not bad. That's the latest January security patch update which we got in this OnePlus Nord CE2 device. As you can clearly see events, which is a Dimensity 900 processor and 8GB and 128GB variant. That's it friends, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more updates. It's a quick information about what is the security patch and the software version out of the box. Meanwhile, signing off until instead of more updates, and bye.